Hello everybody and welcome back to a duels game, but not a normal duels game, because we're not going to be fighting each other. We're going to be building a house. Okay, so you build a house, I'm going to build a swimming pool. Then we're going to catch fish. No, this is what the video is all about. Then I can't record then. Okay. Oh my, no, why did you get rid of the water? You blocked the infinite water source. Yeah, just put both of your water back. Oh no. Okay, I got this. Come on, now why is it so hard to make an infinite water source? Okay, we do this. And we do this there. So now we're gonna make a swimming pool. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna make a swimming pool. We're gonna catch some fish. No, that's not water. That's lava. No. Come on, look. We have like 7 more minutes to do this. I have low. You just got burned by the lava. Okay, there's gonna be a swimming pool. No, please. No, stop, please. Okay. Alright, we're gonna make a swimming pool. Did you just help me make the swimming pool? I like that. Yeah. Well, I think I made an infinite water source in right here in the corner. You could just. Yeah. Well, if I get money, I don't think I will. I'm not a popular YouTuber. Oh yeah, I think the pool's almost done. Yeah, okay. The pool's done. Okay, let's go fishing. All right. Who's gonna catch the most fish? Here we go, fishing competition. No, this is not how you fish. No, that's not how you fish. Oh, is someone coming to me? Something coming? Oh no, I thought something was coming to me. Oh, come on. Did I get one? No, I didn't get one. What? I think I pulled it too early. No, I need to pull it back. It's not letting me pull it back. Okay. Oh, no, not the lava. No. Oh, come on. I need, stop. No. That is really not nice of you. I need to get a fish. This is what this video is all about. It's about getting a fish. Why? No, please, I need to, then I'm gonna delete this video and not make a video. Because this is what this video is. Oh, did you get? Oh. No, run away from the lava. You're burning up my pool. No, I mean, not burning up my pool. Look. Oh, you could get, oh, maybe that's how you get cobblestone. That's another way of making a cobblestone generator, lol. But you can't craft in this thing. No, please stop hitting me. Come on. I'm getting bullied. You're punching me. Ow, no. Run around. Oh, no. No. This is bad. No, stop. Please, please, please. No, no. CJ Moose. This is not nice. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh my God. No, no. This is. No. Whoa, whoa. Oh. No, no. This is not. But I need to fish. Come on, look. Look. I just want to enjoy some. It's a nice day to fish out here. It's so nice. And you just have to come in and fight me and kill me. I just want to go fishing. Ah! This is what you get for killing me. Okay, but that was so funny. This is what you get for bullying me and punching me. Oh, that was the funniest thing ever. No. Come on, please. This is not a normal duels game. This is not normal. I mean, this is a normal duels game. I'm trying to say, it's supposed to be a not normal duels game. See, look, when I run, I have this glitch on my computer. No.
This is what you get. Oh.
Alright, if you want to do that, I'm going to keep running. And I'm going to do this. So he's doing this, and then I'm gonna do this. And then I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna turn this way. And then I'm gonna eat a gapple. And then I'm gonna do this. Then I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna do this again. We can do this all day. Oh, come on. I think we just wanted to build the pool.
Yeah, okay. Now come on. I'm putting down.
Okay, I'm putting my. Okay, I'm putting my sword and bow. Okay. Friends. No, not fighting me with a pickaxe. I have an axe, okay? Okay. No, okay, let's. No, this is. Oh yeah. Where did the cobblestone go?
You got rid of my cobblestone.
Oh, whatever.
Hey.
Oh no, my water's gone. Hold on, let's make an infinite water source. Can you like put some water in here?
Dude,
Yeah.
forest. It's over here. I made one.
Oh, thanks.
I'll give you a golden apple. Choose, okay?
Okay, yeah. Not fighting me with the golden apple. Not fighting me with. Why are you punching me with a gapple?
Wait, gapple's fine. Come on.
Oh my god. This is supposed to be a video about catching fish for SP737. Not.
Are you literally gonna name it? I caught a fish in duels.
Yeah, I was trying. This is what this video is supposed to be about. No, now you're using your sword.
No, I'm just gonna get you low with my sword and then.
No, that's not. No, that is mean. Look. I don't have anything. No,
That's sad.
I don't. I have nothing. You're so mean. I'm gonna lose the duels game.
Friends do.
I need to eat a head. Oh my god. You. No.
I want to kill you with a golden apple. Come on. Just let it.
No, you're fighting me with your sword, not the golden apple.
Yeah, and look.
Well, now you are. Before you were. Golden. No, now you just switched to your sword. No. I don't. No, I can't trust you. I can't trust you. I need to run. I can't trust you. No.
No, you can't. You really, really can't.
Oh, I don't have blocks in my hotbar. I'm gonna lose the duels game. No, please. No, come on. This is...
This is what friends do, right?
No. I'm gonna lose. I'm so dead. No! No! I'm not sprinting anymore. No, now you're punching me with the gapple. No, I need to eat a head. Oh no, I don't have the head. It shows I have it, but I don't have it. Yeah. No! Go this way! Go this way! Go this way! This way! No! This video was supposed to be about getting a fish! Alright, unfortunately, this is going to be the end of this video because time has run out.